Hey guys, welcome to Outscale. So here at Outscale, we majorly use Google Classroom as our primary driver, and you'll use the same tool to learn everything. So you must have received the mail like this in your email, and if you aren't getting it, just search admission team Outscale and you will get this email. So in this email, you have to click on this link that says please join Google Classroom. Once I click it, it will redirect me to another page, and hence I'll be able to join a Google Classroom. As I can see, I need to join, so I'll click on join. It takes a moment to join, so it's still joining. Now I'm joined in the Google Classroom. So you have to work on the classwork. So go on the classwork tab on the top, and now here you can see all the classwork, everything. So if I scroll down, so you can see there are many sections, section 1, then section 2, and there are many sections. So majorly you have to work from top to bottom. The first task is to go on this Discord, view the assignment, and then click on the link here, and it will redirect you to another link so that you can join Discord. I have already joined, so it's saying me continue to Discord. So here we have a community of developer who helps you with every step of development. You can ask questions there. If you have any doubts, you can ask it there. Other than that, once you are done with this, just click on mark as done and click on mark as done. So because I have already been added to the Discord server, so I can mark it as done. Don't forget to do this step. Now let's get back to the classroom again. So I'm here in the classroom again. I can see there is a rock, paper, scissors here. So if I view the assignment, I can see, okay, again, I have a link here for study material. I can study from it, and then when I do the assignment, to do the assignment, click on this Ripple link. It will direct you to an online coder. Start coding. Choose your language. We are using C++. So I'll choose C++. I'll create a Ripple. It takes a moment. So now it has created a virtual machine for me majorly, wherein I can code. So it's loading up for a sec. Let it load. You can run, and you can see the hello world is here. This is the code. So herein add the code of rock, paper, scissors. Work on it. Once you are done with it, just share a copy of it with us. So here you can go to this link and Control+C copy and add or create. Click on add or create in the Google Classroom. Then I have a link, so I'll click on the link. I'll paste the link. I'll add the link. So once it's added, I'm waiting for it to be added. Once it's added, I'll hand it in, and then again hand it in. So now I'm done with the whole process. Now we have to again go back to the classroom, and now you can see that I have handed it in. If I want to study more, I can go from top to bottom approach and keep on studying everything. So that's all from my side. Have a really nice day.